Hey, Bertrand from Humanzign here, and welcome to this demo of IsoSuite. So the first part of IsoSuite is our Humanzign software. So Humanzign is a flat character illustration creating software creator. And so in the dashboard you have a choice. You can choose from various characters, and let's start with Ethan here. And so when you click on edit, you'll be taken to the editor. And here, basically, you can customize the look of your character. So there's different hairstyles. As you can see, when I click on the left here, it updates the hairstyle on the right. There's also different faces available depending on what emotion you want your characters to show. And finally, there's also different clothing and positions you can make your character take. And so there's another option to edit. So like you've seen, you can do it manually here, but you can also use the random button here. And when you click on the random, it will generate a random set of criterias and a random characters based on that first character, obviously. All right, so let's have a look at some of the other characters. So let's go for a Lynn here, or maybe a kid. Let's go for Dan. Okay, so Dan is a kid. So we have various age groups in the character. So there's kids, there is teenagers, adults, and elderly people as well. And also have various skin colors and ethnicities. So this is a character called Dan. So as you can see, you can easily edit and customize and create a very custom and unique look for your characters. And then you can again randomize. So that's if you want to just browse through different possible styles. And when you're done, you can download. It will download as a transparent PNG. So then you can integrate it to all your other platforms. It could be on your sales pages. You can import it into a graphic editor. You can pretty much use it anywhere, even in videos, using once you have downloaded them. So that's pretty much how Humanzign works. So for instance, let's download this character and we can take it to my Humanzign account here. So I have a scene. So these scene backgrounds are provided as part of the IsoSuite launch. And so I can easily integrate this character that I just created in Humanzign here in my Humanzign scene. All right, so then I can resize it. So as you see, they are transparent characters, so they nicely adapt to any context. And now this is added to my scene, and I can create landing page visuals, sales page visuals, social media visuals this way using Humanzign. Okay, and now the second software part of IsoSuite is IsoSign. And IsoSign is an isometric graphics creator, and it's actually the only isometric graphics creator in the world on the market. There's no other easy way to create isometric graphics besides IsoSign, and besides doing custom designs in Illustrator and so on. So with IsoSign, basically you can create your own isometric scenes from a library of hundreds of assets. And as you can see here, I'm creating a scene. So I have added a couple elements like a character and a table and a lamp. And now let's look at some of the other elements we can add to make that scene a bit more interesting. So isometric graphics in general are a great way to represent complex concepts. It's a way to kind of tell a story within an image. And you can see here, you can do things like drag and drop, obviously, and you can move your assets behind one another, and you can pretty much customize them how you want. And obviously with this design, I started from scratch. but I'll also show you some of the template feature we have for IsoSign. And so here I'm adding a blackboard. So and let's add a few more elements to make this a bit more like a scene. So as you can see, very easy to use. You can also customize the colors of each element. So this way you can make it match your brand colors. For instance, you can have you know, some of the characters here with your own brand colors. So that's a good way to brand yourself, or if you're working with clients, you can also use your clients' colors. So here let's add a couple more characters, add them to the back, so you can see it's taking shape pretty nicely in just a couple minutes. We created a pretty cool scene. And again, I can you know, make the colors of the shoes, of the t-shirt, like every single element has multiple color options, as you can see here. All right, so let's customize this a bit more. And what else could we do? Yeah, we could improve that a little bit. And yeah, so that's pretty much how IsoSign works. It's a drag and drop creator for creating isometric graphics. Tons of assets, you know, from buildings to plants to people to animals. You can really create a lot of different stuff with IsoSign here. You can also obviously crop your images. You can download. So when you download, it will download as a transparent PNG. So you can easily import it into your landing pages or social media. And here on my dashboard, I can see all the designs that I have created. So you can see this is more of a building-based design. And yeah, that's pretty much how IsoSign works. We also have a bunch of built-in templates in the platform. And so just a single click on the templates will pretty much load them. So there's various industries, and there should be some information about the templates included somewhere below on this page. But that's pretty much IsoSign. So with IsoSuite, you're really getting the best character creation software out there for one low price, for a one-time price. So check it out, and yeah, make sure to get your copy today, and you'll get instant access to IsoSuite, which includes Humanzign and IsoSign. Thanks for watching.